Maybe.
If we get another one that big, we might as well keep it. Balls. Yeah, it's hooked in the stomach, that's why.
It's like a nice walleye.
How hooked? It's hooked in the stomach, that's why that was such a bite.
Still a nice one.
Yeah. That's why that was such a bite. Holy shit, that thing was not. I'm amazed that thing stayed hooked.
I'm surprised.
Like 3 different places.
It's still a good
walleye. That son of a bitch. Man, it's a nice fish though. Alright, we broke the ice. It's pretty early. Yeah, we broke the boat in. Got water all over it. Oh, it's a bleeder. Oh, yeah. Well, it's like bleeding out of his eye. Now, reel this thing in. Unless my line going down caught it or something. It started acting goofy.
Oh, what the heck? Something's trying to get out.
Yeah, it's a walleye. Wild water.
Come to Papa.
Oh, that's walleye. Hell yes.
Woo! Damn, Noah.
Well, the right side of the boat's working. Way back in here, too.
I'm turning them slow.
Might be returning. That'll work. Big enough. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no. Nothing on the downrigger?
Nothing on the downrigger. Walk around all you want. You ain't going to. You're not really turning. I think there's something on this thing.
I'm turning, I'm just turning real slow.
Yeah, but this is rear back up behind. Yeah, it's like it's straight behind. Yeah.
Oh, really? I'm not sure.
Here you go, Bubba. Seven color.
This is where they catch all those steelhead.
Color? Yeah.
This is where they catch all those steelhead.
Oh, there he is.
You got another fish. Ah.
That's a good one. I'm getting some meat in the ball.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Oh, look at that one. Oh! Woo! Good Lord.
I mean, it wasn't on the, oh, it was on 7.
Both lures on this side of the front.
He must have been down deep then.
Yeah.
Look at that bladder up. I can get it. That is a nice fish. Wow, look at the side of him. It looks like he had a lamprey on it.
Yes, sir. These side boards, that's all we're doing. Yeah, port side boards.
I'm happy he's
We got a fish on here.
I just like that you guys are catching fish.
Can't reel anymore. Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one. Oh, yeah. We need to put that down. Worm horns? Open the cooler. He's coming.
Is that 6 now?
Good size too.
Oh, they're nice ones.
We ain't doing little ones. Yeah, they're all good size. I do have a fish, boys. I do have a fish. Yeah, there's fish. what's this stuff? Yeah, wait a second. Oh! Oh! No, downriggers a pain in the ass today. Oh, whoa. Unless that's you dragging me. There's definitely something here.
Holy shit, I'm still way out there, I think.
Yeah, it's missed for sure. Something hit, huh? Must have been slacking the line.
Well, he pulled a board.
Oh, shit. Yeah, reach out. Where is it? Wait, is it under or over? No. Can you grab that? Alright, hold on, because it's still on the other side of this. Yeah, it's on the other side of the rigger. Yep. Oh boy, no.
Yeah.
We'll put it down there again. If it hits again, we'll change the other downrigger. Get out of here. You take the downrigger. That's what it is.
Trying to. My arm is getting all pumped out. Yeah. Going like 60 foot lines. So I ran line.
Oh. Yeah.
Well,
That line probably caught it going out when I threw that lead back out. Oh. There you go. Real. Yeah.
they always wait till I sit down again, don't they?
Yeah, I'm up in here right now. It's fishing bug. Fishing walleye. There we go. He's good. He makes it.
I'm gonna. Jason, I'm
Before I
gonna.
lose him.
I'm gonna try. There's some big boys in there. Look at him, man. Look at that. You got one.
That's pulling pretty hard for that board being limit like that. It might be a fish.
That last time I reeled, it was pulling pretty damn hard.
Hope it's good.
He ain't gonna make it, I know that.
Oh no, there's blood everywhere.
Tell me that they don't want to come now. Look at him way out there.
Yep, definitely a fish.
It's a big fish. No, it's foul hook. He's flipping around like that. You might as well wait unless you're going to go out and swim and get him.
That's a deep I ran. Yeah, come out. The cheaper. All that. All that was cheaper. The first thing we caught that wasn't a walleye today. Pliers.